We are going to paint a bird using palm and finger printing. First, take different watercolors in a palette. Now, dip the side of your palm in green color and make the middle shape. Next, dip your finger in blue color and make impressions for the legs and crown. Dip your thumb and finger in different colors for the sides. Use the tip of the index finger for the plumage. Finally, use a brush for the eye, beak and feet to give the bird a complete look. See how creatively we made a bird using palm and finger printing.